Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a niche that is about to explode on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this trending niche and products that I feel are going to pair really well with it, along with a mini design tutorial. I've been seeing this niche or aesthetic popping up in all different places, mostly on my For You page on TikTok. Side note, recently TikTok has been a huge part of my product research for my Etsy products. I'll get into that in another video. I have been seeing this aesthetic everywhere on my For You page, and people are all talking about how it's going to be the new craze and the new trend this spring. After seeing this over and over again, I became curious, and of course, I had to do some more product research. I researched this on Etsy, Pinterest, and even Google Trends. I truly have faith that this is about to take off. All right, I'll finally tell you. Coquette aesthetic. So if you don't know what coquette is, basically it's like pink frilly bows and cute fluffy animals, flowers, red fruit such as cherries or strawberries. Okay, so here we are in Etsy. I wanted to show you some examples and how much these are already bringing in monthly. So let's browse a little bit. So we have some cute cherries, we have the pink frilly bows. Now, if you watched one of my previous TikTok shop print on demand videos, you know that I talked about the famous pickle shirt. Someone looks like they tried to apply that here and make it a coquette pickle shirt. Clever. And that's the thing about coquette. I'm thinking that it's like a niche, but it's also kind of an aesthetic. It can be an aesthetic that's applied to almost any niche. Here's an example of what I was talking about, like cute fluffy animals, and I feel like this could do really well in the springtime, especially around Easter. You want to make sure that you're not doing anything that could be copyright or give you a trademark infringement. This is a big no-no, don't go there. So here are some examples. It's pretty simple, as you can see. A lot of bows, a lot of cherries, the cute fluffy animals. And as you can see, it's all light pink colors, occasionally baby blue. So let's take a look at my EVERBEE product analytics here. And I'm going to head over to the monthly revenue right here. And as you can see, some of these listings are already bringing in over $1,000 a month, but I predict that these are going to do especially well in the spring. So now would be the time to get these listings up. We are end of February right now. Perfect time to get these listings up so that they can gain some traction and start making sales this spring. I think t-shirts will do fairly well with this niche or aesthetic, whatever we want to call it. However, I do feel like there are better print-on-demand products that can be applied to this, and I'm going to show you. And the reason being is on TikTok and in my product research on Etsy and Pinterest, I'm seeing a lot of the designs on what's called baby tees. So they're much smaller. It's not a t-shirt for a baby, but let me find an example. So like this, for example, just really tiny t-shirt. Let's find another example like this one. See how the t-shirt is much smaller. And the thing is, with my print-on-demand products, I mostly sell a Bella Canvas t-shirt or a Comfort Colors t-shirt, and they're not going to give this type of fit. So people might not purchase my print-on-demand products that have this aesthetic on it because they want the whole vibe of it. So unless I can find some baby tees, which I'm on the search for, I'll let you guys know if I do. I feel that the sales aren't going to come in as much with the t-shirts as I would like them to. I'm still giving it a go. I actually have some in my shops that are selling already, but I'm going to show you some other products that I think this aesthetic can do really, really well on. And would you look at that? Right on the Etsy homepage, top rated trends is a coquette aesthetic painting. I actually stumbled across this after filming this video and I had to add this in. Etsy for sure does not lie about the trends. The Etsy homepage is also another really great area to find things that are trending now. So now I'm in Pinterest and I just typed in coquette. You could type in different things like coquette aesthetic, coquette girl, coquette apparel, anything that you want to search with the word coquette, you're going to get some ideas for your own products. So I'm taking a look and I started thinking I'm seeing a lot of wallpaper coquette, so I'm putting that in my mind. I'm seeing some cell phones with pink bows on it, keeping that in mind. So I just take about 10 minutes or so a day to browse when I'm doing product research on places like Etsy or Pinterest, just like this. And I go through and basically I'm priming my brain with a bunch of information so that when I sit down to finally design, it comes effortless. So I'm seeing a lot of bows, a lot of flowers, mostly light pinks, some light blues. It's being applied to cute animals. There's a frog here and the mouse over here. We have bunnies and kittens. Okay, so now that I have primed my brain with all of that information, I'm ready to go to Printify to figure out what type of product I want to put my coquette designs on. So I have some ideas in mind. I saw cell phone cases, and something I didn't see but I think would be really cute for this is an apron. So let's head over to Printify. I'm going to show you where you can get these, and then I'm going to show you how we can easily design in a matter of minutes, get it on a product, and get it listed in our Etsy shops. All right, so here we are in Printify. Most of you know that this is the printing company that I use to print, package, and ship all of my Etsy print-on-demand products. They have so many products that you can choose from. So as you can see right here, there is a cell phone. So I'm possibly thinking about taking a coquette print and putting it onto a cell phone. And then, like I said, I think an apron would be cute. So I'm just gonna show you. I would click this, and here's an example of an all over print on an apron. So I could actually find a print that I'm going to use on a cell phone and actually use that same exact print and use it on an apron as well. If you don't have any design skill, no reason to worry, because I have like so many options for you to create a design fairly quickly and get them up on your products ASAP. So one, you could use a platform like Canva if you want to create your own designs. And take a look here. I went into Canva, I went to Elements, and I typed in coquette, and there are a bunch of graphics already in here that I can use. Now, when you're seeing this little crown and it says pro, that means you need a pro account to use these. But if it does not have the pro, like this one, you can use this. Now the thing is, you can't just take one graphic from Canva. I can't just take this bow and put it on a shirt. If you want to use Canva elements, you need to combine them with other elements or text to make it your own design. You cannot just use one element from Canva and put it on your shirt. It's against Canva policies. But I can combine these to make my own. As you can see, they have a cute bunny. I wasn't even going to design in Canva, but I'm kind of getting an itch to right now. Like, look how simple we could do. We could take this heart, and then you could take this bunny, and maybe I want to add something else to it. That quickly, in literally 2 minutes, I have a cute little coquette design that I could put on a shirt, and my SEO could be coquette mixed with Easter, mixed with spring. But if the design piece intimidates you still, no worries. You can go to a site like CreativeFabria. CreativeFabria is my go-to site for graphics to use for my print-on-demand products. It saved me so much time. You simply just go to the search and type in what you're looking for. So I typed in coquette, and there's not that many options just yet because this is still like a new niche, but I have no doubt that they're going to continue to add to this. But there's still enough that we can play around with now on here. So there's cute bows, there's the cherries, strawberries, there's some wallpapers that we're going to look into. Checkers are in right now too. So combining checkers with coquette is a really great idea. I'm interested in these wallpapers. It's commercial and full print on demand usage allowed. I'm going to download this. And now I have brought it into Canva on a 5,000 by 5,000 canvas. And now I'm going to save this. All right, so now I'm back in Printify, and I'm gonna show you how to add that design onto a product. So I'm gonna choose a cell phone case for this. There are many options. I'm gonna go with the best seller right here. Start designing. Now I'm gonna come over here to upload my device. And then I'm gonna choose create pattern right here. And then I'm gonna make this a little smaller. My little friend just woke up from his nap. But then I'm going to preview it up here. And look how cute that looks. And I think these mock-ups are actually pretty good to use in your Etsy shops. For t-shirts and sweatshirts, I typically purchase my own mock-ups from Etsy. But like I said, I think these are really great to use. You could add all 3 of these to your Etsy shop. And you're going to come here and click Save Product. You're going to fill out the rest of the listing and publish it to your Etsy shop. Let's take a look and see how this is on the apron. I wasn't going to do this, but again, I think this is adorable and I really want to see. Start designing, upload. What do you think? All right, so again, we're going to choose Create Pattern and we're going to make this smaller. And we can preview it up here and then choose Save Product. If you are still new to Etsy and print on demand, no worries. In my description below, there's a link to my free Print on Demand to Freedom course. It's step-by-step, click-by-click, going to hold your hand through the whole process of getting your Etsy shop started and synced up with Printify, getting your first listings up, and so much more. So definitely go check that out. I hope that this video helped you. I hope that you can jump on this niche and aesthetic and help scale your Etsy print on demand business. And so I know you watched the video all the way till the end. Tell me your favorite travel destination, whether you've been there or not. I want to know it so I can add it to my list of places to explore. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.